Hi friends, this is Rekha. Welcome back to Rekha's Cookbook. Today we are going to see how to clean the stove using the ingredients available at home, just like this. And now we are going to prepare a stove cleaning liquid. For that we need to heat a saucepan, add 1 cup of water, and when the water is hot enough, just add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and along with that I am going to use either vinegar or lemon juice. So today I am going to use half lemon. So I have a very big lemon, so I am using just half lemon chopped into pieces, and 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. Any dishwashing liquid can be used, and we are going to just heat it, or a slight boil is also okay. I'm just squeezing out the lemon juice, and now our liquid is ready. Just switch off the stove. Remove all the cookpot stands from the stove. And wipe off the dried food particles so that it is easy to clean later. Either you can use the spray bottle to spray the liquid, or you can pour it directly on the hard stains. This is the milk stain. Once I boiled the milk and it overflowed, and I was kept on cooking it, so it became very hard. So I'm making this video to show how to remove this. So you have to pour the hot liquid all over the stove wherever you feel it is very hard to remove. And any leftover liquid is there, you can store it and use it next time. Allow this liquid to soak for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will wash all the cookpot stands. And the remaining liquid, I'm just scrubbing off the sides of the stove. I'm just scrubbing off the burners. This type of cleaning can be done only at the night time. Why? Because after preparing dinner, you can easily clean off the stove. It will take at least half an hour to clean the stove completely. Once it is done, overnight it can be dried, and morning it is easy to cook. So I prefer this cleaning only at the night time. It has been soaking for around 20 minutes. Now it is easy to remove all the hard stains. According to your convenience, you can use any scrubbing pads to remove the stains. You can notice how easily the stains have been removed. Just I'm scrubbing all the sides of the stove. The cleaning is almost done. Now I'm wiping off with an absorbent kitchen towel. Once all the liquid stains are gone, it looks so fresh and clean. Just wash the cloth and wipe it off one more time. My upper part of the stove looks clean. Let's get into the inside part of the stove. It looks so messy. Let's clean this too. I have soaked this and I'm scrubbing it off. Once the wiping is done, it becomes clean too. Now comes the interesting part of the cleaning. Just pour few drops of essential oil all over the stove and just spread it all over to get a pleasant fragrance.